you are, Mummy Truck. Your new tyres should be all set. All right, mechanicals, let's load up that fence. We don't want another truck to get a flat tyre too. Baby truck, wait! You mustn't go off by yourself. Baby truck, where are you? Spinning screwdrivers! With this rain, we'll need eyes in the sky to find Baby Truck. Ah, that's it! Kat, can you hear me? It's Gecko. We've lost Baby Truck. Can you help?
Claro que sí, Gecko. I'm on my way. Oh, I see tire tracks. Follow me.
Come on, Mummy Truck. We'll find your baby.
No te preocupes, Baby Truck. Grab on!
Of course! Baby Truck needs her dummy to feel safe. But how can we get it to her?
Think faster, Gecko! The water is rising!
I have an idea. Here you go, Baby Truck. Now let's get out of here. We're all safe. But next time, remember to never go off by yourself, Baby Truck. Thanks for the help, Kat.
No problema.
Oh.
Oops. Looks like the next stop is Gecko's Car Wash.
Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash! I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started. Okay, got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done? Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gecko's Garage. See you all soon. Hello, everyone. I'm test driving Miles the motorcycle and... his throttle keeps getting stuck, so it's hard to slow down.
Oh, about time we fix that. I'll have a look in the garage for a spare part. Come on, little ones.
Oopsie. I'll help you find it, Grandma.
The radio is still broken. Huh? Don't worry. Gecko will fix you. Oh, meow wow. Look at you. I've always wanted to ride a motorcycle. Woohoo! Ándale, motocicleta!
Here it is, Miles.
Grandma, you'll need this screwdriver. What's What's the matter, Grandma? Cat got your tongue?
No! She's got my motorcycle!
The throttle's stuck. I can't stop.
Spinning screwdrivers! Hang on, Cat!
We have to hurry. Come on, Gecky. May I fly you, dear?
You know how to fly a helicopter?
A tad rusty, but once a pilot, always a pilot.
Cat, are you okay?
Gecko, this motorcycle is out of control. It won't stop.
Because we're still repairing him!
I should have asked first. Wait, who is flying Helena?
No time to explain! I have a plan! Grandma, lower me down. Oh! Time to help our friends in need with a fix to lower Miles' speed.
Hurry, Gecko. I don't like water.
Right now, Cat!
I'm sorry for borrowing the motorcycle, Gecko.
Well, actually, Miles is Grandma's friend.
Wow, you must be Grandma Gecko. I'm Catalina Felina, but my friends call me Cat.
Pleasure to meet you. If you wanted some motorcycle lessons, just ask. I'm your gal.
You have the best grandma ever.
Why, thank you, dear. I like her, Gecky.
Until next time, bye! Hello, Bobby. Oh, dear. Let's replace that old bumper. All right, mechanicals. Could you take the bumper off, please? Very carefully. Oh, steady. Steady. Oh, careful, mechanicals. We need to work together. Oh, thanks, Green. Oh dear. You'll need to finish the repair yourselves, mechanicals. Phew! Thanks, Green. Oh, mechanicals, you need to work together. Oh, nice work, mechanicals. See what a little teamwork can do. All done, Bobby. Nice catch, Green. Hello, everyone. We're at the campsite. It's been raining all day. But we don't mind. The mechanicals love the rain. Green has even made a little boat. She's having so much fun. Oh, go, Green.
Maybe too much fun. Poor little Green has run out of power and needs recharging.
No problem. We'll just use her portable charging bed. Spinning screwdrivers. No power? The solar-powered charging beds collect their energy from the sun. But there's no sunlight today. We need to find another source of power.
Oh, what if we gather the energy from the rain with a water wheel?
Huh? Great idea, Grandma. We can channel the rainwater to turn the wheel.
And we can use the water wheel to power a dynamo, which turns movement into electricity that we can charge green. I'll have a look in Miles's hatch. No. Nope. Aha! A dynamo.
Let's do it! What tools do we need? Wrench. Chisel. Gecko's Garage. Time to fix. Gecko's Garage. Let's fix this. The first part of our water wheel scheme is to chisel out a channel to make a stream. Fix spoons to the wheel and the wheel to this pin so the water will give the wheel a spin. The water wheel drives the dynamo, creating electricity to help Green go. Oh, it's working! Green's powered up and ready to go.
And just in time for us to recharge with a nice cup of tea.
Thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone.
Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Ah! Phew! That was a close one.
No, 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 no! Hit! Oh!
All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment.
Hello, everyone. I'm re-spraying Bobby the bus. And Grandma's playing cops and robbers with the mechanicals.
Hurrah! We caught the robber red-handed. Oh, Bobby, you look ready to take me home in style. Bobby, what's wrong, dear?
Bobby's lost power.
Let me check your battery, old friend. Spinning screwdrivers! Bobby's battery's missing. An electric bus can't move without a battery.
We'll find Bobby's battery. Detective Mix, look for clues. Aha! Our first clue.
These parts belong to Bobby.
But these prints don't. It seems we have a real robber on the loose.
Follow the trail.
Aren't my new lights spectacular? My sign will attract more customers than you'll ever get, Gecko.
How are you powering those lights, Mr. Weasel?
Oh.
Look, there's Bobby's battery.
Well, I only borrowed it to power my lovely lights.
But Bobby needs the battery to power his motor. We're taking it back to him.
But my lovely lights! Oh, the silly wires won't reach the plug. Oh.
Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's Garage, it's fixing time.
Grandma's using Tilly's winch to lower the battery inch by inch. We'll make sure all the wires are connected and secure them with bolts that Blue collected. The battery provides an electricity feed that powers Bobby's wheels to move at speed.
At least Bobby's back to full power because I could use a sit down. Care to drop me home, please, dear?
Thanks for coming, Grandma.
Oh, help me! Gecko! Please!
Oh, come on, Mex. Let's help Mr. Weasel. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. Oh, it's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look. Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top. We can wash all that mud off. Oh! That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Hoo-hoo-ah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby Truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah. Hee. Hooray! The car wash is working and Baby Truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Hello, everyone. Trevor's just delivered his plough for us to fix. Huh? Ah, and here's Danny with Fiona Firetruck for her checkup. coming, you two. Oopsie! It's freezing out here. Mm. Hello, Dandy.
Oh, hi, Gecko. Hey, Mechanicals. Who wants a game of tag? Zoinks! Looks like I'm it!
Shall we get started on your checkup, Fiona?
Mechanicals, where are you?
Everything's looking good so far, Fiona. Let's just check your hose.
Are you hiding in here? Ooh. Dandy dive!
Huh? Dandy, are you okay?
Whoa! Gecko, come outside! The water from the hose has frozen.
Careful, Blue. It's not an ice rink. The ice is too bumpy to skate on. How can we make it smooth and safe? Aha! I know how to make an ice rink. We'll turn Fiona into an ice resurfacer. What tools do I need? Wrench! Drill!
Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this.
The ice is too bumpy, so to make it smooth, the blades in this plough can remove all the grooves. Attach Fiona's hose to the plough here, please, to create a flat layer of water to freeze. This old car wash sponge will polish and shine. And now our ice rink is mighty fine. Oh, it's working! Thanks, Fiona. Together we turned an accident into brilliant fun.
Look how much fun the Mechanicals are having. I'm so excited to skate.
It's safe to skate now, Blue. I've got you.
I'm skating!
Goodbye, everyone.
Great Halloween costumes, Mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, Mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that, Baby Truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, Baby Truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Happy Halloween! Almost back at the garage, Mechanicals. Whoa!
Someone's dropped rubbish on the road.
There's lots of it, and Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on, if we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals! We've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan! Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama Recycle and the mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down.
Hello, everyone. Oh, there's a lot of vehicles waiting to use the car wash today. Oh, thanks, Bobby.
Gecko has more customers than me. But if I break his car wash, everyone will have to use mine.
Oh, baby truck, what can we get you today? Spinning screwdrivers! What's happening to the car wash? We need to switch it off. Oh no! We've got a runaway car wash.
Oh, this is just too funny.
Good golly, good gosh! Follow that car wash!
Oh, get away from me! I took a shower last week, thank you. No! No! Ah!
We have to get in front of it. Mechanicals, we're going in. Mechanicals, climb up and unscrew that control panel. Now cut the red wire. Not the yellow wire, the red wire. Not green, red! Phew. Bish bash bosh. We stopped the runaway car wash. But, how are we going to get this back to the garage? Bye, everyone.
There you go, Eric. All better now. What was that? Oh, it's Max, the monster truck. He shouldn't be playing here. Construction sites are dangerous. Look at all the mess Max is causing. Oh no, Max has run out of fuel. We've got to get him out before that concrete dries. Quick, mechanicals, fetch the spare fuel. Oh dear, that concrete will be hard in less than a minute. Oh! Oh, how on earth are we going to get the extra fuel over to Max? Oh, Eric's made a bridge! Oh, 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 oh. The concrete's almost set. Go, Max, go! Looks like Max has learned his lesson. Thanks, Max. Another panic over. See you next time. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We're just on our way to Kat's place for a cake sale.
Hola, amigos. Welcome to my cake sale. We have donuts, cupcakes, and my favorite, tres leches.
Where are the cakes, Kat?
Oh no! My cakes have been stolen!
These cakes are delicious, and they're all mine. Not yours, Sly. Get your own. I'm so full. I think I'll just shut my eyes.
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's asleep at the wheel after that sports car. Oh! Mr. Weasel! Wake up! We have to stop them! Hold on tight, mechanicals! Mr. Weasel, are you okay? It's okay, Sly. It's just a flat tyre. We can fix that. Gecko knows just what to do. With a patched up tyre, you're good as new.
Gecko, any sign of my cakes? Excelente! You found the cakes!
Yeah, well done, Sly.
No! Finders keepers! They're mine! Oh, no.
Come on, Kat. Let's get these treats back to your cake sale. Goodbye, everyone.
Ah, it's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan, Green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye!
Hello, everyone. Molly and Baby Truck are having a race. And today, we're pit crew mechanics, ready to help the racers.
Ugh, this race is boring, Sly, and Gecko's pit crew are the pits. Let's liven this race up a bit.
Baby Truck needs new tyres for her final laps. Get ready, mechanicals. Drive into the pit, Baby Truck.
Molly!
Come on, Blue. We need to be quick for Baby Truck. And it'll be Molly's turn on the next lap.
We'll help you beat Baby Truck. Your last lap will be a blast! You won't win the race with just plain old boring new tires. You need a roaring rocket! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Sneaky screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel must have tricked Molly into his own pit stop. But she needs new tyres, not a rocket!
Oh, that was my favourite window!
Well done, Baby Truck. Now let's get Molly inside. Wobbling wheel nuts. Molly's axle's broken. We'll need to weld it together and replace her tyres. Ready, Mex? What tools do we need? Welding torch, wrench. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. We'll mend this axle with a scalding scorch from the super high heat of this welding torch. Reattach the axle to the chassis tight. Now Molly's wheels can turn left and right. And finally, fit fresh tyres in place so Molly and Baby can finish their race. Final lap. Ready, racers? Go! It's a tie!
Everyone wins when they have good friends. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. It's very cold today, so we need to wrap up warm.
Oh, what is wrong with you, Sly? Why won't you start? Achoo!
Sniffling screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel and Sly could use our help. Come on, mechanicals. It's important to look after our neighbours. Oh, Mr. Weasel, you and Sly need some help. Let the mechanicals take care of you, and I will look after Sly. Go, go, mechanicals.
What's going on? Oh, no! Put me down!
It's okay, Sly. We'll take you back to the garage for a little checkup.
Leave me alone, trash cans! Oh, well, if you insist. I think I need some grapes, too. Oh! I said grapes, not brakes! Oh!
First, I have to work out how to open your bonnet, Sly. Which one is the right button? Aha! Don't worry, Sly. I know exactly what the problem is. Your battery needs recharging and your water tank is almost empty. What tools do I need? Jump leads, water hose, Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. Sly's feeling thirsty and needs a quick drink. Time for a top-up of water, I think. Now connect the jump leads from Sly to Tilly so Sly's battery can charge and he'll stop feeling chilly. Turn on Tilly's engine, that's all Sly needs, to share Tilly's power and zoom off at speed. Ah, you're welcome, Sly.
Oh! Sly! You're fixed and all better! Take me home, dear Sly. No, not backwards! Forwards! Oh, fine. Thank you, Gecko.
Ah, you're both very welcome. Anytime. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Firetruck a service. It's been a long day. Excuse me.
Now, what's next, mechanicals? This is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic. But Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. All right, Baby Truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye! Hello, everyone. We're at the beach, cooling off with some ice cream.
Pero we're not the only ones.
Huh?
What's wrong, Gecko?
I'm not sure Vicky has enough sprinkles and toppings for everyone. Sticky screwdrivers! We need to get some more toppings, and fast! Vicky will be really sad if anyone misses out on a special ice cream.
We'll take Helena. She's the fastest friend for this job.
Be good, Max! We'll be back soon! Thanks for helping get the extra toppings, Kat. Oh, hopefully, this will be enough.
But Vicky had so many customers waiting. We need to start dropping these toppings to where they're needed. Fast.
That's why we're here. I have an idea how we can deliver and serve the ice cream toppings straight from the sky.
Buena idea. But how?
We'll update Helena's grabbing arm to dispense these delights. And also add some colour. Then everyone will know she's there to serve toppings from above. What tools do we need? Wrench, spray paint. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. Let's swap your grabber for this toppings device. We'll first unscrew and then bolt it twice. With sprinkles and chocolate sauce that's sweet, you'll brighten any ice cream treat. These stickers and paint will make you pop, so you're the perfect pal for an ice cream stop.
Bravo, Gecko. We're ready.
Go, go, Helena! Ice cream helicopter! Incoming toppings! Grab your ice creams, everyone!
Perfect
most welcome, Vicky. Always happy to help our friends. Now that's the taste of sweet success. Goodbye, everyone.
There you go, Red. Good as new. It seems like only yesterday that I built you all. But don't worry, I keep your plans safely in here, so I'll always know how to fix you.
If I could get my hands on those plans, I could make my own mechanical. Then my garage really would be the best. Wake up, Sly. I have a cunning plan.
Sly? What are you doing here? Where's Mr. Weasel? You've got a problem with your exhaust? Well, if Mr. Weasel isn't around, of course I'll take a look.
I'm going to get those plans. I'm going to get those plans. Ha-ha!
Could you pass me some pliers, please?
Give it up, trash can. The plans are mine now.
Phew! Got it. You're all fixed, Sly. Hey, Red. Do you need another repair already?
Hello, everyone. It's a hot, sunny day, and we're off to the beach. Soggy screwdrivers. The bridge is shut, and Vicky can't deliver her ice cream.
I must have ice cream.
Don't worry, everyone. We'll help Vicky get to the beach. Come with us. There. I've made a couple of special tweaks to help Vicky get to the beach, but we may still need your rocket blue. Blue? Blue! Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help everyone in need of ice cream. Oh, we need some more speed. Now, Blue. That'll do, Blue. We don't want to overshoot the landing. Nuts and bolts! We did overshoot the landing. Don't worry, Vicky. A gecko always has a plan B. What a journey. Now, who wants an ice cream?
Out of the way, trash can. That's my ice cream. My ice cream.
See you next time, everyone. Bye!
Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh, no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck!
worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Ooh. Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon.